have news and I wanted to share it with you. And mostly because this is the kind of thing that I keep banging on about. The bulk of people are good. And this kind of thing confirms it to me. It shows an unbelievable and awesome generosity of spirit and kindness of soul that is deep within humanity. And I think it gives me faith in people and helps me believe that people are basically good. And as you know, the competition to win the 3D printer, and of course that's a not insubstantial prize, was won a couple of days ago. And I wrote to the chap, and his name is Christoph. I wasn't going to reveal his name, but his name is Christoph. And Christoph wrote back going, well, Rob, I'm awfully pleased to have won, but can you please give the printer to the first runner-up? I thought that's just so kind. Because, I mean, you could just take that printer and sell it if you didn't want it, obviously. Or you could take and add it to your collection so it got dust. Or you could take it and use it, whichever it is that you wanted to do. But Christoph felt that he had done all he wanted to do by sharing the videos that he shared. He wanted to share his knowledge, his understanding, and some of his ideas. And that was all he wanted to do. And he was proud at having won, but then just said, please send that printer to the next person in line. And I thought, that's just fantastic, eh? I just think that is such a thing to do. I mean, I don't know how to put it into words. I just think it's so awesome. I really do. So the next video in line that got 340 likes is C103, Marvelous Mechanical Motion Generator. Now, if you haven't seen that video, then do have a look at it, because the creation there is a creation of my own heart. I do love what the guy actually produced. And I will be sending an email to you to let you know and to request your address. And congratulations. And please, everybody, really do thank Christoph, because, as I say, it's just such a thing to have done. I really think it's awesome. I really do. Thank you very much, Christoph, and congratulations to the Marvelous Mechanical Motion Generator, which is just brilliant. Anyway, I thought I would keep you in the loop with that, and of course you do need to know about it, obviously. And thank you very much for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe and watch out for the next competition, because to be honest, given that behaviour, it's almost for sure that a competition will be run again. Anyway, thanks again.